Top 15 Best Diabetes Control Foods. When you have diabetes, using good foods to keep your blood sugar levels steady can help prevent other complications like heart disease. Hello, Bacsi will provide you with 15 foods for people with diabetes, including type 1 and type 2 diabetes. 1. Fat fish. Fatty fish contain a lot of omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation as well as reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Fatty fish is one of the healthiest foods. Salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines and herring are both good sources of omega-3 DHA and EPA fatty acids, extremely good for the heart. For people with diabetes who are at risk for heart attack and stroke, it is important to eat these fish to provide enough nutrients. DHA and EPA will help protect cells on blood vessels, minimize inflammation and improve arterial function. Many observational studies show that people who regularly eat fatty fish have a lower risk of heart failure and death from heart disease. In these studies, older people, including men and women, ate fatty fish 5 to 7 days a week for 8 weeks, significantly reduced triglyceride levels and signs of infection. Fish is also a good source of protein, which helps you feel full and increases your metabolic rate. 2. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables contain many nutrients and antioxidants, which help keep eyes and heart protection healthy. Extremely nutritious green leafy vegetables that are low in calories and carbohydrates help you limit hyperglycemia. Spinach, kale and other green leafy vegetables are good sources of vitamins and minerals for the body, including vitamin C. In one study, people with type 2 diabetes or blood pressure, higher absorption of more vitamin C reduces the signs of infection and causes blood sugar to rise more slowly. In addition, green leafy vegetables also contain many antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, to protect the eyes from complications of diabetes such as cataracts and macular degeneration. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can help control blood sugar levels, better cholesterol and triglyceride levels in type 2 diabetes, and increase the sensitivity of insulin to the body. Cinnamon is an attractive and powerful antioxidant. Some studies have shown that cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels, cholesterol, triglycerides in the body and improve the sensitivity of the hormone naturally released by the body to help the body work normal way. Long-term control of diabetes is usually based on the level of hemoglobin A1c, average blood sugar level, for 2 to 3 months. In one study, patients with type 2 diabetes who received cinnamon for 90 days had a hemoglobin A1c level that doubled compared to other patients who received regular care only. However, cassia cinnamon, Chinese cinnamon, popular in supermarkets, markets, contains coumarin that if consumed too much can lead to health problems. On the other hand, Ceylon cinnamon, real cinnamon, contains less coumarin. Therefore, you should only use a small amount of cassia cinnamon every day, not exceeding 2.5 grams. 4. Eggs. Top 15 Thuk Pham Kiam Sot Ben Tiu Duong Tot Nyat. 3 Eggs are able to reduce heart disease triggers, protect healthy eyes, and promote control of blood sugar levels and keep you fuller for longer. Eggs have been shown to have many health benefits. In fact, they are one of the dishes that can make you full longer. Regularly eating eggs can help lower your risk of heart disease, reduce inflammation, improve your sensitivity to insulin and increase your HDL cholesterol and LDL bad cholesterol. One study found that people with type 2 diabetes who had a high-protein diet, including 2 eggs a day, improved their cholesterol levels and blood sugar levels. In addition, eggs are also rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that keep eyes healthy. You should eat whole eggs, because their advantages are more in the amount of nutrients in the yolk than in the white. 5. Split seeds. Top 15 Thuk Pham Kiam Sot Ben Tiu Duong Tot Nyat. Split seeds contain large amounts of fiber, low in digestive starch and can lower blood pressure and inflammation. Split seeds are a great food for diabetes. They contain a lot of fiber and are extremely low in gastrointestinal starch to help reduce hyperglycemia. In 28 grams of split seeds contain 12 grams of starch, sugar and fiber, which fiber has accounted for 11 grams of them. The amount of soluble fiber in chia seeds can actually lower blood sugar levels because they reduce the rate of food entering the intestines and are digested. At the same time, these nuts help reduce hunger as well as make you feel fuller, can support you to keep a proper weight. If you add chia seeds to your diet, fiber will reduce the amount of calories you consume during the entire meal. In addition, chia seeds have also been shown to lower blood pressure and minimize signs of inflammation. 6. Nghe top 15 thuk pham kiam sot ben tiu duong tot nyat. Turmeric contains a lot of curcumin, can lower blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, protect the body from heart and kidney diseases. Turmeric is an extremely healthy spice. Curcumin, an ingredient in turmeric, can reduce inflammation, blood sugar levels and the risk of heart disease. Moreover, curcumin also has many good effects on kidney disease in people with diabetes. This is an important advantage because diabetes is one of the leading causes of kidney disease. However, curcumin cannot be absorbed by itself but should have added piperine, found in black pepper, to enhance absorption to about 2000%. 7. Low sugar yogurt top 15 thuk pham kiam sot ben tiu duong tot nyat. Low sugar yogurt keeps blood sugar levels stable and healthy, reducing the risk of heart disease and supporting weight control. Low sugar yogurt is a good dairy food for people with diabetes. They have been shown to better control blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease, thanks in part to the probiotic bacteria in them. Studies also show that yogurt and other dairy foods support weight loss and improve the body condition of people with type 2 diabetes. Many believe that high levels of calcium and fatty acids conjugated linoleic (CLA) present in yogurt may have a very important role. Moreover, each part of Greek yogurt contains only about 6 to 8 grams of starch, lower than other yogurt. They also have a higher protein content, promote weight loss by being able to limit appetite and reduce calorie consumption. 8. Types of nuts top 15 thuk pham kiam sot ben tiu duong tot nyat. Nuts are a healthy ingredient and should be added to the diet for people with diabetes. They contain very little digestible starch and help reduce blood sugar, insulin levels and LDL bad cholesterol. Nuts with great taste, are very nutritious. All nuts contain fiber and very little digestive starch, some will contain more. The amount of gastrointestinal starch in 28 grams of each type of nuts: almonds, 2, 6 grams abalone seeds, Brazil nuts, 1.4 grams cashew nuts, 7.7 grams hazelnut, 2 grams macadamia seeds, 1.5 grams pecans, 1.2 grams pistachio, 5 grams walnuts, 2 grams. Frequently eating these nuts can reduce inflammation, lower blood sugar levels, HbA1c and LDL. In one study, diabetics who ate 30 grams of walnuts in their daily diet improved physical, weight and insulin levels in the body. This is an important finding because people with type 2 diabetes often have elevated levels of insulin, which can easily lead to obesity. In addition, many researchers believe that chronic high levels of insulin increase the risk of other serious diseases such as cancer and forgetfulness. 9. Broccoli top 15 thuk pham kiam sot ben tiu duong tot nyat. Broccoli is a low-calorie and sugar-rich food, with very high nutritional value. In broccoli, there are many healthy plant compounds and protect the body from many other diseases. Broccoli is one of the most nutritious vegetables often encountered. Approximately 92 grams of broccoli cooked contains only 27 calories and 3 grams of digestive starch, accompanied by many nutrients such as vitamin C and Mg. Research on diabetics has shown that broccoli can lower insulin levels and protect cells from the production of harmful free radicals during metabolism. Besides, broccoli is also rich in antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, extremely good for the eyes. 10. Pure olive oil do olu ko gay hai cho suc ko fan 2. Pure olive oil contains healthy oleic acid. At the same time, they also have many good effects on blood pressure and cardiovascular health. Pure olive oil has a lot of good effects on cardiovascular health. It contains oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that has been shown to improve HDL levels of triglycerides and good cholesterol, which is good for type 2 diabetes. Olive oil can also fill hormone levels GLP-1. According to the analysis of 32 studies on many types of fats, only olive oil has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Olive oil also contains antioxidant polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation, protect blood vessel cells, and keep LDL cholesterol from oxidizing and lowering blood pressure. Pure unrefined olive oil retains antioxidants as well as other ingredients, making it much healthier. Buy pure oil from reliable sources, because now there are many types of olive oil mixed with corn oil, soy oil. 11. Flax seeds. Top 15 Thuk Pham Kiam Sot Ben Tiu Duong Tot Nyat. Flaxseed may reduce inflammation, risk of heart disease and blood sugar levels, and improve insulin sensitivity. Flaxseed is an extremely healthy food. Part of the insoluble fiber of flaxseed is made from lignin, similar to estrogen, and has antioxidants, which will reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and help control blood sugar better. In one study, people with type 2 diabetes eating flax seeds within 12 weeks had significant improvements in hemoglobin A1c. Another study also showed that flaxseed may reduce the risk of stroke and that patients will no longer need to take anticoagulants. Flax seeds also contain high levels of soluble fiber, improve intestinal health, insulin sensitivity, and longer saturation. Our bodies cannot absorb the whole flaxseed, so you can buy the powder or crush it yourself. Note that you should store flaxseed in a sealed container and leave it in the refrigerator to prevent it from rancid. 12. Apple cider vinegar. Top 15 Thuk Pham Kiam Sot Ben Tiu Duong Tot Nyat. Apple cider vinegar can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, while also helping you feel fuller for longer. Apple cider vinegar has many health benefits. Although made from apples, the amount of sugar in the apple is fermented into acetic acid, and in every 15 milliliters of finished vinegar contains less than 1 gram of sugar starch. Apple cider vinegar has the ability to improve insulin sensitivity and increase blood sugar more slowly. At the same time, apple cider vinegar also helps to reduce 20% of the effect of sugar starch in the diet on blood sugar levels. Results from one study showed that people with poor control of diabetes after a period of regular use of apple cider vinegar reduced their blood sugar by 6%. This vinegar can also slow down the process of leaving the stomach, making you feel fuller for longer. However, using apple cider vinegar will be harmful for people who are suffering from paralysis of the stomach. A stomach condition that doesn't work normally leads to slow food digestion, a common symptom in people with diabetes, especially urine type 1 sugar. To combine apple cider vinegar and diet, start with a glass of water with 5 milliliters apple cider vinegar daily. 13. Strawberry. Top 15 Thuk Pham Kiam Sot Ben Tiu Duong Tot Nyat. 1. Strawberries are a low-sugar fruit, have strong anti-inflammatory properties, and help reduce the risk of heart disease. Strawberries are one of the most nutritious fruits you should eat. They contain many anthocyanin antioxidants, making strawberries red. Anthocyanin is able to reduce cholesterol and insulin after each meal. It also improves blood sugar and reduces the risk of heart disease in people with type 2 diabetes. A serving of about 150 grams of strawberries will contain 49 calories and 4 grams of fiber in 11 grams sugar starch. This serving provides 100% of the daily requirement of vitamin C and cardiovascular anti-inflammatory substances. 14. Garlic. Top 15 Thuk Pham Kiam Sot Ben Tiu Duong Tot Nyat. Garlic reduces blood sugar, inflammation, LDL cholesterol, and blood pressure in people with diabetes. Garlic has many impressive advantages to health. Some studies show that garlic can reduce inflammation, blood sugar, and bad LDL cholesterol in people with type 2 diabetes. They are also effective in lowering blood pressure. In one study, people who were unable to control high blood pressure were given black garlic for 12 weeks and their blood pressure decreased by an average of 10 units. A raw garlic clove contains only about 4 calories and 1 gram of sugar starch. 15. Types of squash. Top 15 Thuk Pham Kiam Sot Ben Tiu Duong Tot Nyat. Both summer and winter squash contain beneficial antioxidants, which can help lower blood sugar and insulin in the body. Recipes are also among popular healthy vegetables. Winter squash often has a hard crust like pumpkin and pumpkin. The summer squash will have soft and edible crust, popular with green and yellow zucchini. Like other vegetables, squash also contains beneficial antioxidants. Many winter squash have high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, preventing cataracts and macular degeneration. Another study using pumpkin extract has shown effectiveness in reducing obesity and insulin levels. People with type 2 diabetes after taking winter squash extract significantly reduced blood sugar levels. However, winter squash will have a higher amount of sugar starch than summer squash. For example, about 150 grams pumpkin contains 6 grams of digestive starch, and 150 grams of pumpkin contains only 3 grams. Try to design an appropriate diet for your diabetes. Add these foods to better control your insulin, blood sugar and triglycerides. This can better control diabetes, keep your body healthy and stay away from other complications.